So in an implementation project, how many phases should be there? Some people said 4, some people said 5. Okay. So these are two things, because Activate is a framework. It can be a framework for the full life cycle of a IT solution, which is not necessarily limited to a implementation only. So if you will say, that's a very confusing, that in implementation, SAP is saying that now we have a four phases. In 4 phases, we'll do the implementation. Activate talk about the 6 phases. So what is the confusion? Because Activate is framework. Okay, Activate is framework, and this framework would be having multiple different kind of phases, right? So it is not only built only for the project, but it is built for the full life cycle of a IT solution. So if you ask SAP that how many implementation phases would be there, they always call it's a 4 implementation phases. Activate is 4 implementation phases. There would be a one phase which is before, there would be a one phase which is after. This complete is a life cycle of IT solution or life cycle of any solution. Okay, before you start, you need to do some steps to identify that why you are starting, what you are starting, to make a right call, that it would be a good decision, this investment will make sense. And after you have done, you need to keep on maintaining. So this is a continuous maintenance, and this is the one which would be the you would be spending on the taking decision. Out of these phases, so implementation is 4, the life cycle is 6. Out of these 6 phases, which one would be the longest one? Quickly on the chat, which one would be the longest one out of these 6 phases?